Today we're learning about Celtic Knots. Our I Can statement is, I can identify characteristics of international artistic styles, movements, and genres in art.
One of the things to remember today is to really draw lightly so that you're able to erase some of your lines. I'm going to start off with teaching you a very basic type of knotting. We're just going to try wrapping something around like a fake tree. So I'm going to start off up here in the corner of my paper, and I'm just going to draw two parallel lines, kind of making a tree shape. Starting at the top of that tree you just drew, you're going to draw a wavy line back and forth, going further than the line of your tree, across it, around, and then you can just stop right like that, wherever you'd like. Then I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to follow right along that line. Just copying right along the line, kind of making like a bubble letter. Doesn't matter how big or how small. If you draw it a little bit bigger to begin with, that might help you for the erasing part. Now is where we need to start thinking about our lines like we're making a weaving. So we want things to go under and over. So we want that snake to go under the tree and over the tree. So if the snake is going over the tree, the first thing you're going to erase are these lines right here. And I'm just going to be highlighting them for the video. So you would erase right there. Then if you were going to come down to the next thing, since we would do the opposite, you would erase the snake. Since you erased the tree first, this time you're going to erase this snake line. Then you would come down next and you would erase the tree. Then you would come down and erase the snake, tree. You can leave this bottom one down there kind of wrapped around the trunk of the tree. Now I'm just going along and erasing every other. So right now I'm erasing part of the snake body. So when I get to the next part, I'm going to erase just that side of the tree so it looks like the snake's coming in front. And then what I can do is take my pencil and make those lines that I want to keep darker because I started off drawing lightly. So I'm going to make this line darker, coming around and stopping because now the snake's going behind the tree, so I'm making the tree darker. Now here the snake's going to go in front of the tree, so I'm making that darker. Wrapping this around here. Okay. And then if you want to, you can kind of give like the tree some texture or make the snake, give it like a head and a tail. Okay, and that's just the basic kind of wrapping something around like that. You could do that with anything like a vine or a flower stem or something like that, the tail of a monkey.